In this video, we will compare Workato and Boomi. Workato and Boomi are both enterprise-grade integration platforms. However, they cater to slightly different needs and offer unique strengths. Workato is known for its low-code approach to automation, focusing on ease of use while offering powerful features such as real-time data syncing, pre-built integrations, and complex workflow automation. It excels in connecting cloud-based applications and automating workflows across various business functions without needing any extensive coding. Workato's flexibility and user-friendly interface makes it ideal for many businesses of all sizes looking for a fast, efficient way to integrate their system and automate tasks without a steep learning curve. Boomi, on the other hand, is a more traditional and comprehensive integration platform with a strong focus on large-scale enterprise integration. As part of Dell Technologies, Boomi's platform offers advanced features for API management, B2B integrations, and robust processing capabilities. Boomi is well suited for organizations that provide and require extensive customization, scalability, and the ability to handle both cloud and different systems in a unified manner. It offers a more complex tools for managing integration, lifecycle processes, and support sophisticated workflows. They may beyond the capabilities of more straightforward tools such as Workato. In summary, Workato is ideal for businesses looking for an intuitive, low-cost solution, while Boomi is better suited for large enterprises with a more complex integration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.